Hello everyone. I figured I'd do a quick review of this Better Homes and Garden Bunk Bed. Now, this has been in use for about 4 months, and I just want to say for $200 at Walmart, or I think it might have even been like 170. This is an excellent bed. It's not only does it look nice, it's quite sturdy, and it's really just above what you expect to get for such a low price. It's just completely solid. It looks like it's a bit more expensive. It's strong. I'm around 190 pounds and it easily supports me at the top or the bottom. Obviously, you should probably not be laying there if you're an adult, but I did want to give it a test and just see how it felt, and didn't even make a single budge with me being up there. Now, one thing I do recommend, depending on how high your ceiling is, get different size mattresses. Now, I got a 6, or maybe I think it was a 6-inch mattress for the top and an 8-inch mattress for the bottom. So this ended up working out well here. Other than that, also the bed, so it's pretty easy to build. Obviously, this is the kind of thing where it would probably be very hard to build this by yourself. But as long as you have 2 people, there's really nothing to it. There's nothing complex, just comes right together. And in fact, if you do need to move this to a different room, the only part that really holds the top and bottom together is the stairs. So you just remove the stairs, and then you can simply lift off. You can see right here, you can lift off the top, and that way you can move each section of the bed, say, to another room or to clean the room or whatever you need to do, and then easily pull it back together. Hey, Puffu. The possibly the only weakness I can think of is the staircase. I think it's still very tough. I don't know, sometimes I think maybe it could like rip off, but honestly, like pulling at it right now, there's no way that's gonna happen. No, the whole thing it's totally solid. And obviously the kids, 5 and 7, really love this thing. They make forts at the bottom, at the top. They cover the whole bed with a blanket. It's just been a blast. And so yeah, if anyone's looking for a simple bunk bed, there's really nothing wrong with this one. Just trying to think of anything else I can add. Yeah, it obviously has these bars so you don't fall off the top. They're fairly sturdy. I say this whole bed kind of actually, it's more sturdy if it's leaning, there goes Bafu. If it's leaning against the wall. So if it's kind of in the middle of the room, it does feel a little rocky, but I think that's probably the case for most of these 2-story tall beds. So if you're looking for something for kids, this is excellent. I did also want to note that I am 6'1" and I can sleep on the bottom or the top. I will fit, but I do, for example, if I'm sleeping on my stomach, do need to literally lay completely horizontally with my head in one corner and my feet in the other for me to fit. Otherwise, my feet hit the end. But this is, I think, just something important to note, that if you do have an adult visiting or something like that, this bed can be used for an adult, or perhaps even 2 adults if one of the adults is not really too heavy. So yeah, hope this helps. Just kind of renovating this room and figured it was a good time to kind of show this bed since it's been in use for about 4 months and there have really been no issues or anything. Obviously, it does not come with the mattresses, so you will need to purchase them. And as I said, be sure to note just how much ceiling height you have, because you want to get a thicker mattress, then you lose out on some headroom. Like I said, we saved 2 inches on this 6-inch mattress. At first, we got this one. We had it at the top. But you can tell there's really not a lot of space here. But just these 2 inches made a big difference between it kind of being fine and comfortable versus being, your head's literally touching the ceiling here. Obviously, we're talking about kids, not adults, but yeah, it's worked out great. So hope this helps, and let me know.